and unyielding spirit in the southern reaches of Nueva Vizcaya. This land, rich in natural beauty and ancestral wisdom, is home to the proud Isinais, Bongkalons, Igorods, Ifugaos, and Kalanuyans, diverse indigenous peoples whose traditions flow like rivers from generation to generation. Among them, the Isinay weavers stand as cultural beacons, their hands crafting masterpieces from fiber and faith. Every weave echoing spheres of harmony with earth, of reverence for their roots, of a legacy preserved in color and trend. Yet, this land is more than its breathtaking scenery and time-honored art. It is a living tapestry of unity in diversity, where every tribe contributes to a shared identity and unbreakable bond with nature. But even in paradise, trials descend. Typhoons hum, floodwaters rise, the ground trembles with the rage of the earth. And when nature's pure veins, man-made threats creep in. Illegal logging, careless farming, creeping pollution. Still, the people of Tupac del Sur do not bow. They rise together, shoulder to shoulder, heart to heart. They rebuild, they protect, they endure. What fuels this unwavering resilience? Faith, a faith as deep as their valleys and as enduring their mountains. A belief that with God, all things are possible. Through storms and struggles, their faith has never faltered. It shines brighter, igniting courage, compassion, and unshakable will to overcome. Today, through the powerful language of dance, they tell their story, not of despair, but of determination, not of division, but of unity. Its movement is a prayer. Its step, a celebration of identity. Its beat of the drum, a call to remember who they are and what they fight for. This is not just a performance. It is a living promise to honor their past, protect their present, and shape a future rooted in peace, dignity, and sustainability. This is Tupac del Sur. This is Resilience in Motion. This is Culture